Cadillac XT5 positions itself as a safe luxury crossover, comfortable, quiet, stylish, and familiar. But for an experienced car owner or enthusiast, familiarity often hides long-term compromises. The XT5 hasn't fundamentally changed in years, and while Cadillac has refined the formula, many of the underlying weaknesses remain. Ownership can be pleasant at first, but several technical, usability, and reliability-related issues may surface over time, especially once the warranty honeymoon ends. One of the most common disappointments with the XT5 is the engine lineup. The base turbocharged four-cylinder offers acceptable daily drivability, but it feels underpowered for a vehicle wearing a luxury badge. Acceleration under load, such as highway merging or carrying passengers, can feel strained, and the engine tends to work hard, which impacts refinement. The optional V6 improves smoothness but introduces its own concerns, including higher fuel consumption and increased mechanical complexity. Neither option truly delivers the effortless, confident performance many buyers expect at this price point. The automatic transmission in the XT5 is tuned for comfort rather than responsiveness, and that choice comes with trade-offs. Owners often notice delayed downshifts, hesitation when accelerating from a rolling stop, and occasional gear hunting at city speeds. While these traits don't make the car undrivable, they slowly erode the premium driving experience. Over time, software updates may improve behavior, but they rarely eliminate the underlying calibration compromises. Despite its relatively modest size, the XT5 struggles to deliver class-leading fuel efficiency. Real-world consumption often falls short of expectations, especially in urban driving or colder climates. The V6 variant, in particular, can feel outdated in an era where competitors extract more efficiency from smaller turbocharged or hybridized powertrains. For owners transitioning from newer European or Asian rivals, the XT5's fuel appetite can be an unpleasant surprise. Cadillac's infotainment system looks impressive and offers plenty of features, but long-term reliability is a recurring concern. Owners report system freezes, delayed startup times, intermittent connectivity issues with smartphones, and occasional screen glitches. These problems may seem minor individually, but they become frustrating when they occur repeatedly. As the vehicle ages, electronic quirks often multiply, especially once software support slows down. At first glance, the XT5's interior feels upscale, with attractive materials and a clean design. However, closer inspection reveals inconsistencies. Some plastics feel harder than expected. Trim pieces may develop squeaks or rattles over time, and seat cushioning can lose firmness faster than anticipated. These are not catastrophic flaws, but they contrast sharply with the luxury image Cadillac promotes, and with the expectations of buyers paying a premium. The XT5 prioritizes ride comfort, which works well on smooth highways but shows weaknesses on rough or uneven roads. Suspension components can transmit sharp impacts into the cabin, and body roll becomes noticeable during spirited driving. Over long ownership periods, wear in suspension bushings and dampers can further degrade ride quality, leading to costly repairs that are not uncommon for heavier luxury crossovers. Maintenance and repair costs are an often overlooked downside of XT5 ownership. Parts prices are higher than mainstream brands, and dealership service rates reflect Cadillac's premium positioning. Once out of warranty, even relatively small issues such as electronic sensors or suspension components can result in unexpectedly large bills. Resale value is another concern, as depreciation tends to be steeper than some competitors, amplifying the total cost of ownership. Cadillac XT5 is not a bad vehicle, but it is far from flawless. Its problems are subtle rather than dramatic. Average performance, questionable long-term electronic reliability, inconsistent interior durability, and ownership costs that don't always match the driving experience. For buyers seeking short-term comfort and style, the XT5 can make sense. For long-term owners and enthusiasts who value engineering depth and lasting quality, these weaknesses are worth serious consideration before committing.